What's up, everyone?
What's up?
It's day 3, 4, I don't know, at Cairns, and we are going to Palm Cove. Like, how cool of a name is that?
Cool.
And there's our bus. Where is it? Over there. There's our bus. And I don't know, last night, what happened last night?
Let's see.
We drank. We did not drink.
I got 3 free drinks.
Yeah. Okay.
It was ladies' night.
Yeah. There was a topless bartender.
Pole dancing.
Yeah. Yeah, pole
New
dancing.
best friend, Rachel.
Oh yeah, the girl that. Oh, Anna suddenly said, "Oh, that guy is harassing her."
But he was. It was some old man. She wasn't interested. We
Yeah.
saved her.
And I just said, you know what? I'm gonna save her.
Then I ended up hanging out with her all night.
Yeah, and she kept ignoring me for some reason. Ooh, Palm Cove. We've just realized that it's our last day together. But we're gonna do it our way. The lazy beach cafe style, chillaxed kind of way. This is kind of awesome. Like the bus just dropped us on this road.
This is not a bus stop.
Yeah, it's not a bus stop. Oh, but it looks kind of resort-ish.
In someone's yard.
Like, let's find the beach. How about $15 for a sunscreen? Show it.
Woo!
15
Either this or 15,000 for skin cancer.
or for free in Slovenia. We got our own palm tree shade thing going on. No tourists, no one to bother us. This is like, yeah, how come no one's here?
It's a Friday too, isn't it?
And yeah,
Is it Friday?
it's Friday, it's 12 o'clock and
There's no one here.
it's perfect. Do it again, come on. Yeah. So, since I've decided to videolog, Anna keeps getting annoyed that I'm on my phone, right? But I guess she's just hungry. Anna! What do you want? What? Food! Yeah. We tried to find some food, but it had a $2 sign and the cheapest burger was 26 bucks, so...
Better feed a family of 5.
Burgers again. Look at the size of it. It's massive. Is it? I don't know what we're gonna do about our healthy living.
Start tomorrow.
Start tomorrow.
Say that every day. Start tomorrow.
Kids.
Tomorrow I'll say the same thing.
I actually feel like we're on a tropical island somewhere.
My hair gets bigger every time that we take a video.
It does?
It's
It's lion hair.
It's salt water.
Oh crap. Oh. So, what's so special about this coffee?
We were served this coffee.
Because like in Australia, it's, yeah, you have to order everything on the counter and pay immediately, and then usually you have to get your own coffee, right?
Get up and get it.
Get up and get it. But over here, we sat down, the waitress came to us, asked us what we would like. We said coffee, and they brought us coffee. Like,
That's how it should work.
it's how it should work. Australians, oh my god, like visit Europe, learn from us as we'll learn from you that you have to smile more and be positive, right? And but it is like that, and say, hey, how are you?
Yeah.
Constantly to every single freaking person in Palm Cove, and I guess this is it. So right above us is the Melaleuca tree. This.
Thank you.
And the fun thing about it is that they are over 500 years old, and they are literally everywhere in Palm Cove. A couple of other fun facts about Palm Cove is that it's a popular wedding destination, but you would have probably guessed it, right?
Yes.
It was titled the spa capital of Australia. They've won a couple of awards. They won 2 titles at Keep Australia Beautiful Awards. It has been voted the cleanest beach in the far northern Queensland. And was there anything? Oh, no. We ran out of fun facts. Check out the beach for the one last time, and it's absolutely gorgeous. Like, look at this.
Do something cool.
Look. Okay, let's go then. Wait for the bus first. So we've just realized it's our last night together, and the no sugar rule, no junk food rule.
Forget it.
Forget about it. We're just gonna that one. And that one. By the way, some people are really honest. It says 4 doors for more. Like, what the hell? Space.
There's a picture of it.
So Anna has noticed this weird bird. Where is it? Over here. How cool is it?
Oh my god, if it comes up to my hand, I'm gonna freak out.
Don't.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Oh my god, how cool is that?
It thinks I have something in my hand. It's staring at me. It's kind of creepy.
And we're planning all the American things I must do when I come to San Diego, and it's a very long list, and I'm gonna need a lot of money for all that stuff, but we're gonna do it. Are we?
Heck yeah.
Yeah. So I guess we're really easily entertained. We just find a gym station and we're suddenly working out at 11 p.m. and it's real easy. Little beach here. And we just noticed this
water.
There's like a lot of water. Where it came from? I bet they have Yeah, they stop and start screeching. Guess that bird didn't get the notice that lagoon is closed.
Yeah.
Let's go. Cool facts about Cairns. What's cool about Cairns?
They have weird lighting.
Weird lighting things, yeah.
Cool birds with long legs.
Yeah.
They
Like-
serve you.
Oh yeah, you sit down and they serve you. What else?
The Great Barrier Reef.
Of course. And cool colorful trees everywhere. What else? Funny lights.
Yeah, lights.
What else?
Live music.
Gilligan's.
That's
Yeah, we're kind of running out of words. By the way, it's day 5 here at Cairns. It's beautiful, it's sunny. The beach is still kind of crappy, but hey. Seriously, I think this fake lagoon is kind of nice. What do you think? She's like, okay, whatever. Look at it. I guess this is just us being kids at the fake lagoon, right? Yeah. What are you gonna say?
Don't pee in pools.
We just decided to get even more burgers, because why not? Yeah. The last supper, the last burger. Until next year, Anna, when I come to visit you in America. What are we gonna do?
stuff ourselves.
With what?
Well, we just had burgers and fries, and now you propose coffee and cake.
Isn't that nice?
It's great.
Yeah.
Round 2. How many cakes can we eat in 2 days?
Honestly, I can't do it anymore. I can't keep eating food. It's too much. I'm gonna. No. Anna actually said if we should get more ice cream. No, no. I'm gonna throw up.
Wow.
Face.
Oh, it's salty.
We're weird. Let me see it. I'm gonna miss it. Which one's gonna come first? You or me? I'm gonna go to the States because I'm literally American.
Yeah.
Say goodbye.
Look great.
This is so cool, Brisbane, here we come.